Hello YouTube. So you remember I posted these diaries, these cute diaries. These are multiple pages, colorful, and you can draw with white pen. That's what I like about these cute diaries. And sometimes, you know, we're at the groceries or we want to write down something, or just really good to have as keychains, right? So these are made out of scrap. The leftover pages, this is another pastel one. This one is a green, yellow, all of that. So the paper I got from Itsy Bitsy, and recently I was on their website again and I saw really good deals, and I thought I can make these diaries in Avenger, Spider-Man, all of those. So I got those papers. They were just 80 rupees. Honestly, make more of these diaries because these are really hot selling at the fleas. Like every kid wants to get them for their bag, for their everything else. I bought, and this is Itsy Bitsy. So I ended up spending about around 1,000 rupees on these. So I feel like it's a good ROI. Yeah. You can see it's a lot. Just cardstock. These are just cardstock. So many kinds of cardstocks. And the good thing is this paper quality I was really surprised with. As you can see over here, if I show you, this is like 250. It's really good. This is some embossing powder. I want to do some embossing. I got some really nice stamps. So these are one side printed, the other side is white. But look at this. Some baby ones, elephant, more baby. The dots are good. I don't know, sometimes I feel like I can make better designer paper and I should just start doing that. Yeah. And this one, I'm not too sure. Okay. It's really specific to babies. Let me open this a little. I have good expectations from this one. I don't know. It's not bad. I like it. It's not bad. It's not like amazing also, but it's not bad also. So these is what I'm excited about. I got them for just 79 rupees. But you can see these have that metallic finish. So let's see. I think this was for 20 rupees if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe even less. This is the whole 12 designs. 12 by 12 and 250. Okay. Wow. Is it like that? I don't know. Beauty. This whole pack was for 80 rupees. You can make boxes with these, gift return gifts boxes, treat boxes, cake toppers. They're already printed, like cut around it and okay, it's like that. With great power comes great responsibility. Like this can be a cake topper by itself. Very good. I am happy with this one. 80 rupees well spent, honestly. Yeah. All of these great metallic finish. Love it. Here comes the Iron Man. The Armored Avenger. Okay. Alright, let's see this. Again, have 12 designs and 250 GSM. Oh wow, what's this one? This is pretty. Okay, this like that. Really beautiful. Again, boxes, cake toppers. Just cut around this, and this can be a cake topper by itself. Like it. This is also good money spent. I think only 80 rupees, 79 to be exact. Then I got this one. Song of the Sea. Oh. Wow, it's like a little bit of matte finish. I like it. Wow. Oh my god, pretty. This came in at the perfect time. Look at that. Because I wanted to make I had an order to make a purse for a kid, and I think I might use this. Wow, it's beautiful. This collection is beautiful. I mean, even these are really beautiful. Wow, and these are like different elements. Again, you can make cake toppers with it. Really good. Okay, this one gets 5 stars. Yep, I like it. Really good. Now we come to this one. Oh, these are not, these are 180 GSM. This is 180, so these are very light. These are 180. I love that. Oh, cute. So cute. Wow. So perfect for like those pregnancy albums. Unicorn. Every kid loves unicorn. Loves unicorn. Oh. Look at this. How big is this baby girl? I'm very happy with all of these things that I got. So I got one. This is a really beautiful one. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I got 6. So I think my total bill was let me see. My total was around 600-700, so I feel like 100 for each if I do the average. Not bad. I like it. Okay, so that's what that is it. This is it. Thank you for watching. I wanted to do this as a live and try out, but YouTube did not allow me to do that. I think I have to wait 24 hours for that to be activated. But Yep. All right. Thank you. And I'll see you in the